Welcome to the second day of course, the Mahatma Gandhi's role and contribution in Indian freedom struggle. Today, we will see two videos on two modules. First module is Gandhi in Africa, and second module is emergence of Mahatma Gandhi in India. I am Krishna Patil from Premraj Sarada College, Ahmednagar. Okay, first we will see Gandhi in Africa. In the last video, we have seen that Gandhi came to Africa in 1893 for a court case, which is related to Dada Abdullah. It is a most important characteristics of Gandhi's life that Gandhi lived Africa 21 years. That is 1893 to 1914. In 1893, when Gandhi came to Africa, in one incident, Gandhi thrown out from railway in spite of he having first class ticket. And this is a turning point of Gandhi's life, because from that day or that night, Gandhi started living for society, not for individual, not for herself. And that's why the travel started of Mohandas towards Mahatma. After that incident, Gandhi started agitations for rights of Indians, and that's why in 1894 he established Natal Indian Congress, and with this organization Gandhi fought his struggles in Africa for African Indians. The first struggle of Gandhi was against denying vote rights of Indian, and second struggle was related to showing identity pass proofs. Here is one pass proof showing in the picture, and another picture is imaginary picture of Gandhi was thrown out from the British TC because he is Indian and he have not right to travel in a first class railway. In 1906, the Transvaal government implemented a new act for registration of Indians and Chinese population of colony. Gandhiji also struggled against this act. In this struggle, Gandhi adopted his still evolving methodology of satyagraha, that is a devotion of the truth or non-violent protest for the first time. And from that struggle of 1913, he fought against the nullification of non-Christian marriage and denied to register the marriage again. During this period, Gandhi jailed several times. The most important aspects of Gandhi life in Africa, that he framed the satyagraha, non-violence way of struggle against government. English artist John Ruskin book Unto the Last inspired Gandhi, and with this inspiration Gandhi set up a phonics farm near Durban. Here Gandhi would train his cadres on non-violent satyagraha or peaceful registration. The phonics farm is the birthplace of satyagraha. The another farm established in Gandhi in South Africa, that is Tolstoy farm, where satyagraha is molded into weapon of protest. That's why Phoenix Farm and Tolstoy farms are the laboratories of satyagraha principle. In 1915, Gandhi returned to India. There are three pictures, which one is first is the statue of Gandhi in front of Petersburg railway station, where Gandhi thrown out from railway. Second picture is of Boer War, where Gandhi and Indians were served as volunteer, and third picture is of Gandhi and his wife Kasturba in Africa. Thank you.